Welcome to Virtual Coffee with Dawn Rickabaugh, the Note Queen, where we talk about owner financing and notes. Financial solutions, one mom and pop to another.
The way that I got started was, by the time, I quit my nursing job and I just had a 6 year, 5-6 years that was very roller coaster financially. I went through all my own net worth by the time I really hit my stride. So by the time I was really ready to build a portfolio of notes, I didn't have any of my own money left. But what I had was the expertise. I'd built some connections, and then I had people who wanted to invest with me. So the best way for someone to get involved is you have to build relationships, and you have to get some education, and then you need to cultivate other people's money, and you make a spread. So even if let's say you can go, okay, I have this deal where we can make 10% on this hard money loan. And then you bring in a friend and you teach them, or they trust you and they say, look, I'll give you 8% on this deal. And you've created a 2% spread on top of someone else's money, right? So developing capital partners from the ground up, not ones you meet at the clubs, because why do they need you for? You need to take someone who doesn't know how to make more than 0 or 1% and then get them comfortable and give them 5, 6, 7, 8% while you're lending it out at 8, 9, 10, 12%, whatever it is like that. So to me, that's the quickest way for get involved with someone who's already brokered and is a broker, whether they're brokering discounted notes or hard money loans. Get the product from someone else who's already in the business of creating deals,
right?
And then cultivate your own back pocket money investors who you've created the connections, you've educated yourself, and you can talk intelligently enough that, or you put a little bit of your own money in there. That's great. Where they go, okay, he doesn't have a lot, but he on this $100,000 deal, he put in 5 at least. So you know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
Leverage arbitrage is the most powerful thing you can do in this business. So does that help at all? I don't know if that was exactly what you're asking, or if you could even hear me.
Yes, you still hear me, Dawn? It's Brandon.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I recently had an interesting opportunity last week. A friend, I thought he was more the artist type. You never know till you just start talking to people. I thought he was giving me some feedback on some initial business cards for that distressed mortgage expo. I just threw something together in Zazzle real quick. And it turns out he started like Primerica, and that's more based, as people know, in the stock market. But that could he might have me there just to pitch alternative investments. So I may try to market and see about raising capital partners that way who are expecting lower yields. And then I just have to make sure of my spread beyond that.
Yeah, exactly. So your investors, if it was your money, just think, you got to act like it's your money. Like,
right.
Protecting my investors' money is more important than my spread or my profit, because if your investors lose money, they don't come back very often.
It's the reputation on the line.
Right? You've been listening to Virtual Coffee with Dawn Rickabaugh. For more, please visit notequeen.com.